Alright guys, Alex here with Master Garage. 2014 Ford F-150 King Ranch EcoBoost twin turbo. Quick guide for the and quick tips for the transmission replacement. This is a four-wheel drive, I mean all-wheel drive. You got to take the drive shaft out. After that, start taking the exhaust off. Since there is a all-wheel drive, you got to take the transfer case. It has got like 9 screws around it, as I did already, all over here, and it's gonna slide right back off. This is a two-man job, so you got to put it on the floor jack, take it out. So as you see, I already secured the transmission. It's about to coming out up there, and disconnect the harness. After that, since you take the starter out, you can reach the bolt for the torque converter from here, and that's the harness. From here you gotta take it out. Reminder, after you finish the job, you put back the transmission and fill up the transmission fluid. You gotta reprogram it. You can call somebody that has the proper software to come over and reprogram the transmission for you. And if you have it, you can go ahead and do it by yourself. It's pretty easy process. That's it. That was a quick tip on that one. Good luck, guys. I'm doing it on the ground, so if you have a proper lift and everything, it should be much easier. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.